So the Film Jams team was at NAB this year, and all the gear was overwhelming. It was amazing. There's so much good stuff there. But one of the things that got us the most excited was the new RGB Rainbow Lights from Quasar Science, the Q25R. We're gonna unbox it today and check it out. So this is Quasar Science's 2-foot version of their Rainbow RGB LED tubes. So here is the fixture, 2 feet of solid joy. It's actually got a bit of a heft to it, a little bit more hefty than the crossfades. It also comes with the Q upgrade cable, so you can actually plug this into a USB in your computer and then plug the Cat 5 into the light right there. So you can upgrade it if they have new firmware. Pretty cool. Lastly, you've got your cable. PowerCon cable here. So there's not a whole lot more in the box, it's just those items, but we're gonna check it out now and see how it works. All right, so let's test this baby out. Right away, one of the things that's different than the Quasar Crossfade is you actually have a power button right here, so that's pretty cool. So as you can see, you've got a screen here which is going to show you your different settings. It's a nice little OLED screen. It's not the typical dial that's on the Crossfade or some of the other lights out there, so you have full control over the settings on the light. If you do want to hook this up to a lighting board, you've got DMX in and DMX out right there on the side of the light. It's got everything you need and a little extra. That is the DC in, so you can power it from a battery right there. Presets. So here, we're in the preset menu right now. All right, so you got blue. What's next? Cyan. Green. Red, that's bright. Yellow. Orange. Magenta. None. Blue. Again. So that's all preset into the light. You have all those colors already built in. You just literally tap the menu, go to the next color. All right, let's go through the effects. All the other lights are turned down in here, and we have the camera set to 5600 color temperature. This is rainbow, so it's gonna go through all the different colors and hues built into the light. You got short circuit. Okay, and that is paparazzi mode. I'm seeing all sorts of flashes in my vision. Fire effect 1. Fire effect 2. Fire effect 3. Cop light 1. Cop light 2. Still seeing a lot of flashing in my vision. I can't really see anything. Demo, and you're back to demo. This is if you want to kind of check out all the colors and different settings that the light can do. Okay, so color temperature presets built into the Q25 RGB light. 3200, 4000, 5000, 5600, 6000. And then you can go back down to 2000, 2800, or none. Manual mode, so you can adjust things manually. So you can go intensity here, and this is your dimmer, the built-in dimmer. So intensity, that's 1. Going up, going up, going up, going up. Whoa, that's 100. Color temp, so 6000. This is the coolest it's gonna go, 6000 Kelvin. Then we're gonna adjust it down. That's 2000 Kelvin. Saturation, so you can actually saturate the colors. So right now we're at 75%. So we're going down to 0. This is 0 saturation. We're gonna go up to 100% saturation. Hue, so you can adjust your hue. It has different hue angles. We're at 185. Let's take it through the spectrum here. I'm gonna keep going. Now it's like orange, kind of green. That's 119, so you can just take it around the whole spectrum there. So you got plus and minus green as well in the setting there. So that's really nice. If you have some lights that are maybe a little bit green, you can adjust to balance to those lights. The menu is super cool. It's just like very easy to use. Like the Skypanel is like you need like a degree in physics to get through it. So this menu is really easy. I've already figured it out and I just took it out of the box like 3 minutes ago. One of the things I really like about this light is how user-friendly it is. The menu is really simple and it's built into the light. So you don't need any kind of external dimmers or external lighting modifiers. You can set them into like a lead follow mode where you could set one light and then all the other lights connected to it will have the same effect. So you could put a bunch of these in the ceiling, set them all to flicker, and all your lights are gonna flicker together. Oh, my stomach. Oh. What the?
I ran out of toilet paper.
So it's fairly easy to create a customized look using just these lights and not a lot of experience, which is pretty nice for somebody like me. So another nice thing about the RGBX Quasars is that they have wireless control over lumen radio, which is a pretty powerful feature if you're on a bigger set and you want to be able to rig these up in the ceiling and control them wirelessly. You can do that with these. And they also do come in a 4-foot and 8-foot variety. Another feature is that it's self-ballasted, so you don't need a big external ballast. It's just the power cable and that's it, so that's really nice. It keeps it lightweight, smooth, and easy to set up. So that's our first look and unboxing of the Quasar Q25R RGBX light. We're going to be doing a full review in the coming weeks, so look out for that. And also make sure to check out our links below if you want to pick one up so you can buy one. Make sure to tune in every Tuesday and Friday where we have new videos on Film Jams. We'll see you on the next one. Ooh. Lens flare!
Hey kid, you want to buy some lenses? It's just my light's gone out. I need to fix my lights because I don't have any money. So I gotta sell the lenses.